Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking steamed chicken with glass noodles. So let's start cooking. We'll now start to marinate our chicken. I have with me over here 320 grams of boneless chicken thigh, skin on. Why skin on is because for steamed dishes we want to have a little bit of fat so it will taste better. Cut them into small pieces like this. You add in 2 pieces of Chinese mushroom, rehydrated and sliced thinly like this. Put them in. Five grams of young ginger, sliced thinly. Put them in. The white stalk of a spring onion, sliced. Put them in. 37 grams of pre-soaked glass noodles, which I've soaked in water for about 20 minutes. Put them in. For the seasoning, we'll use 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine or shaoxing jiu. Now for all our Muslim friends and people who don't take alcohol, this is optional, you can leave this out, no problem. Add in also half a teaspoon of sugar as well as half a teaspoon of salt. Let's mix this up well first. Once you have mixed this up well, we'll add in 3 tablespoons of corn flour and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix them up well again. Finally, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix them up well again. After this, we'll leave this to marinate for 20 minutes before we steam them. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll steam our chicken. I'll be using my 30 cm nitridine wok from La Gourmet. Over medium-high heat, make sure that the water is boiling. Put your chicken in, put the lid on, and we'll steam this for between 8 to 10 minutes. I'll show you how it looks like in a while. 10 minutes is up and the chicken should be done. Yes, it is cooked and smells really good. If you are using bone-in chicken or you cut up your chicken to a bigger piece, please let it steam for another 3 to 5 minutes. And now we just need to sprinkle some spring onion on top, and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. The smell is incredible. It's really, really very, very fragrant. I'll have a taste of the chicken first. Very tender. A very faint fragrance coming from the ginger. This is nice. The glass noodles, it is really, really fantastic. It has absorbed the sauce very, very nicely. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. I'll see you again. Bye bye.